Looking for the fastest, most reliable NVMe SSDs of 2025? Whether you're a gamer, creator, or power user, these drives deliver next-level speed and storage. Let's dive into the top 5 NVMe SSDs you should consider right now.
Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos.
Starting at number 5, we have Seagate FireCuda 530. Need blazing fast speed for gaming or content creation? The Seagate FireCuda 530 is an absolute beast, delivering up to 7,300 megabytes per second with PCIe Gen4 performance. It's 2x faster than Gen 3 NVMe, and built with a Seagate E18 controller and 3 DTLC NAND for insane speed and durability. I've tested it, and trust me, this is the fastest SSD I've used. Whether you're gaming or editing 4K, it won't break a sweat. Plus, it comes with a 5-year warranty and data recovery. Moving on. At number 4, we have Black SN850X. Tired of long load times ruining your game flow? The Black SN850X delivers blazing speeds up to 7,300 megabytes per second, transforming your PC into a true gaming beast. With built-in heatsink options, it keeps cool under pressure during marathon sessions. I've used it on my rig. It runs smooth, fast, and absolutely silent. Plus, the Black dashboard lets you monitor performance and even customize RGB lighting. If you're serious about gaming, this SSD is a no-brainer. At number 3, we have Blue SN5000 4 terabytes. Running out of space or speed for your creative projects? The Western Digital 4 terabytes NVMe SSD is built for creators, offering massive 4 terabytes capacity and lightning-fast read speeds up to 5,500 megabytes per second with PCIe Gen 4 and Ncache 4.0 technology. Whether you're multitasking or editing high-res content, this drive keeps up without breaking a sweat. I've used it for heavy workloads, and the performance is rock solid. Plus, it comes with a Cronus True Image for easy data migration. At number 2, we have Samsung 980 Pro. Looking to supercharge your PC's performance? The Samsung 980 Pro is a game changer, offering blazing read speeds up to 7,000 megabytes per second with PCIe 4.0. That's 2x faster than PCIe 3.0 and perfect for serious gamers and content creators. Its compact M2 form factor fits easily into desktops or laptops, and Samsung's thermal control tech keeps it running cool under pressure. I've been using it for gaming and video editing. Zero lag, lightning-fast loads. It's truly next level. And finally, at number 1, Crucial T700 Gen5. Want mind-blowing speed for gaming or content creation? The Crucial T700 Gen5 2 terabytes SSD delivers insane performance with read/write speeds up to 12,400 11,800ths of a megabyte per second. It's one of the fastest SSDs out there. With Microsoft Direct Storage, load times, drop and textures render up to 60% faster. I tested it with heavy 8K video files and AAA games. Flawless. Just make sure you have a heatsink and proper airflow. Built with Micron's 232-layer NAND, it's perfect for next-gen Intel and AMD systems.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.